Hey everyone, it's Magdalena at pressureson.net. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of my favorite Thai dishes, Tom Kha Gai, or Thai coconut soup. My husband and I order this all the time, and we both agreed that this pressure cooker version is as good as any restaurant we've tried. In just over 10 minutes, you'll have a delicious, authentic Thai soup ready to serve. Alright, let's get cooking. We're going to start with 1 cup of mushrooms cut into quarters. Next, we're going to take 2 stalks of lemongrass. Cut off the tops and discard, then cut the bottoms into 3-inch pieces. If you can't find lime leaves, I recommend using the zest from half a lime. It comes out to about 1 teaspoon. Galangal can be hard to find, so I like to use a combination of dried galangal and ginger. You can also just use ginger. Use about half a red pepper and slice thin. Slice half of a white onion. We're going to use 2 green onions. Cut the bottoms off into large pieces, and then slice the greens to use for garnish after. Rough chop half a cup of cilantro. We're going to use half in the soup and half as a garnish. Trim and slice about 1 pound of chicken breast. I like to do a really thin slice because you're only going to be cooking this for 3 minutes. Into your pressure cooker, add 1 can of coconut milk, and then using that same can, measure an equal amount of chicken broth. Add in the sliced chicken, mushrooms, onions, and bottom of the green onions. Add in either the lime zest or the lime leaf. I would typically just do lime leaves, but I did both to show you. Then we're going to add the ginger and cilantro. Add in 2 red chilies and the bottoms of your lemongrass. If you have dried galangal, you can add about 1 tablespoon. Measure 3 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 cup of fish sauce, and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Stir and then place the lid on your pressure cooker. Make sure the knob is in the sealing position. Then we're going to cook on manual for 3 minutes. We're going to prep our serving bowls while the soup is cooking. Into each bowl, add a little cilantro and green onion. You can also add chili oil and a little lime juice. When the timer on your pressure cooker goes off, we're going to gradually release the steam. You want to do this in increments so that the soup doesn't come out of the steam release knob. When all the steam has released and the pin has dropped, remove the lid, stir, and then add in the red pepper. I love the sweet, sour, and salty flavors of Thai dishes. This balance is perfect with the creamy coconut milk. If you want to find this recipe or more, go to our website, pressureson.net.